Look at me perched up here like a majestic hood ornament. Why? Because my truck is throwing a temper tantrum over a sensor. We're checking the coolant, we're checking the sensor, and now I'm walking back to grab my surgical tools. Stay tuned because Big KW is about to get schooled. What's up, SD gang? It's the Sassy Trucker. Today I broke down on the side of the highway, but I was able to get myself back on the road for just $1. I went to the store and bought some Gorilla Tape and a paper clip. I'm gonna use this to jumpstart my sensor so I can get back on the road because my check engine light came on along with the low coolant level light. I'm like, what the hell is going on? Because I just got my radiator fixed last week. So I'm like, the mechanic must have didn't do his job. So I'm gonna do the job for him. The coolant is filled all the way up to the top. Sometimes the coolant sensor can trigger a false alarm even though the coolant's already filled. So now I'm just going to try to bypass it just to make it to the shop. Back up on the tire we go. Skeleton speaks like a professional. Now, I know a lot of you steering wheel holders would have already called a mechanic, sat on the curb, started crying like a little baby about your breakdown pain. Not me. While you're busy crying into your latte, I'm getting my hands dirty. We're getting to the guts of this sassy red, finding that lying ass sensor and yanking it out. Unplug it like you're unsubscribing from a toxic ex. Now I take my paper clip. I'm sliding the paper clip into the sensor plug to jump those wires and finally telling the computer to shut up because it's annoying. Now we wrap it into Gorilla Tape because if you can't fix it with tape, you aren't using enough. Wrap it tight, secure it to the wires so it does not rattle when you're driving down 40 West Highway. It looks ghetto, but it's genius. You don't need an engineering degree to have common sense. Yes, I'm basically a genius with a $1 budget. Because I know the rest of you would have called a mechanic like a little baby and start crying to your dispatcher saying you broke down. You need a mechanic to fix it. And all you need is some Gorilla Tape to make sure it's secure and it's not hitting any other wires. If it does, then your truck's probably going to catch on fire. But yeah, that's it. That's all you got to do. Just wrap it around just like that. And boom, now you have it. It's going to stay like that until you get to your destination. Pull over and check it whenever you get a chance. Whenever you're getting full, just pull over, make sure everything's good, and voila, that's how you bypass the sensor. Hood down. Let's get these latches locked and loaded. You gotta make sure Sassy Red is all buckled up after just putting her in place. Honestly, she's a gorgeous KW, but she's got the attitude of a spoiled princess. Look at that dash. Beautiful coolant light is gone. The engine light is still there, but we ignore her. She's just being dramatic, but the screaming alarm silenced $1 versus the shop. I ain't had to call the mechanic like the rest of you truck drivers, but I probably would have called a mechanic. I ain't gonna lie. It's part of trekking. And that's how a real one handles business on the road. Don't let a sensor ruin your clock. I'm out of here. Catch you on the next stop.